Good day everyone, I am Engine Cadet Barreto Roger Jan.
I am Engine Cadet Canton J. Calvi.
I'm Engine Cadet Pasadas Nelson B.
I'm Engine Cadet Munoz Joseph T.
I'm Engine Cadet Lubiano Ken T.
Welcome to our conversation, where we explore the beauty, power, and significance of art.
First, what is art?
Art is the application of human creativity and imagination, which manifested in literary, visual, statutory, decorative, performing, and popular arts. Art is the human expression of the world, expressing the deepest emotions and thoughts. It is universal cultural expression, reflecting and preserving societal values and identity, and serving to entertain, please, and inspire.
Art composes of various mediums and elements. Elements such as line, shape, form, color, texture, and values are foundational in creating visual art. Mediums include traditional form like painting, drawing, and sculpting, as well as contemporary art forms such as digital art like photography and mixed media.
What is soul making? In short, soul making is about drawing out a certain experience of a person and transfer it into an image, either in a form of painting, musical composition, or production. To be a soul maker, one does not need to be conscious as to how far one's masterpiece goes.
Now, let's move to the meaning and nature of the principles of art and design. The principles of art and design are the foundation in creating an art. Architects, engineers, sculptors, and other artists are not the only designers in the world. Everybody is a designer. All of us can be designers in our own ways. Thus, it would be very beneficial for us to be familiar with the principles of art design: harmony, rhythm, balance, proportion, and emphasis.
In Mindanao and Cordillera, arts are uniquely distinct, with Islamic art primarily focusing on intricate geometric pattern. By appreciating art, we are not only celebrating the creativity and beauty, but also gain a deeper understanding of our own humanity and the world around us. Art invites us to see the world and opens up our minds to new possibilities. This is why art is so essential to our lives.
It is not just a reflection of our culture,
But a vital part in our human experience.
Enriching our lives in countless ways.
Where we explore beauty. One does not need
And design? So, first,
This is why art is so essential.
But a vital part in our human expression.